So that's the problem. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see by the title, we bought Agent 00's drift car. Man, this shit is already pissing me off today. It's not even off the trailer yet, bitch. Yo, every time, yo, low key, stand over here. Look fire. This is a 30 footer. That should look clean. Then you get closer, and then you're like, God damn, shit's missing side skirts. It's got the M3 shit falling off. It's got the paint missing over here. And then I was like, yo, the front end is not even that bad. And then I realized this shit just hanging on. I realized the headlight is fogged like my glasses when I get out the shower. Man, it's got bird shit all over it. Kind of got herself into a pickle. Pause. What are the odds of everything this shit starts? Okay, the key is just spinning. This is gonna be a fucking disaster. Now, the moment of fucking truth we've all been waiting for. Let's see if this piece of shit starts. Can't see shit. Hood's open. Fuck it. Something's wrong with this fucking ignition. Okay. She started! But she sound rough. She sound like a fucking diesel truck. Scared that bitch. That shit is chattering like fucking. Hear that? Can they hear that? Probably. That shit, that clutch is chattering. The whole bumper.
That shit was done wrong.
The whole bumper's off? Like how bad? Like just send it type shit? Oh, that shit off? Oh. Ah, so what's to lose now, right? Like, fuck it. Good? The headlight? Fuck it. All fixed. All fixed. That shit slammed, boy. Yeah. Shit wasn't even on, apparently. Shit. Good as new. All right, let's take this shit for a drive. Make sure it don't overheat. Make sure it don't blow the fuck up. I smell cooling already. I know I smell cooling already. The temperature gauge don't work though. That's the fucking problem. Nothing works in this fucking thing. Clutch, bro. What kind of clutch is in this? A stage 17? God. Oh, hell no. I don't know if y'all can see that. I gave it a couple revs. That shit was smoking. Shit is burning oil. Oh, nah, it's burning. What the fuck? Smoking in this bitch. What the fuck do I got here? Like, what is going on? Oh God, like, what is going on? Why is it smoking here? See the fucking fire extinguisher. The inside of the car is smoking. I went 10 feet down from the shop and it's already fucking. Yo, my drift car is a piece of shit, but like, this is crazy, bro. I haven't even made down the street and there's literally smoke coming out the compartment by my feet, gang. This shit don't even, shit got 336,000 miles on it. No wonder he wanted to bury this shit on string. Go. Oh, that's reverse. Hello. Shit's just sounding worse and worse. This fucking thing. This shit's falling apart. Every time I've seen this car with Agent, this is what it's been doing. Every time. I already know we're gonna have to get a new fucking motor in this bitch, so what the fuck's the worst? Should have took the hood off, let it cool down a little bit more. This shit barely idling by itself. Facts. You know what's crazy? Whenever you're in a time crunch or want to go somewhere, like you ever got a shit before, the red lights take forever. We're about to shut off, about to be stranded. All right, y'all. That's enough for this shit today. We're gonna go find a spot where we can legally slide this shit in Mexico, put it to the real test because it is too hot outside physically and physically. But this shit is running crazy hot right now. We're gonna put it to the test. We're gonna find a spot, go sliding, go crazy. Maybe see it literally lasted one light. So maybe during the daytime, at nighttime I mean, it'll be not so hot out we can send this bitch. So we're gonna find a spot, hit up some of the plugs, and then get into that. I'll see y'all when we get the slide in. So we're gonna make sure we filling it up with water, and hopefully that's the cause. Oh, I'm not gangster. The first problem, we hear the shit. I hear it. Can y'all hear that? Please, it's pissing. See that shit? So that's the problem. Car ain't holding coolant, it's not holding water. That's why, Agent, you couldn't drive the shit more than 5 minutes. So fuck that water, it's useless. I think we're gonna take this shit to Mexico. We just tighten that up for no reason. It's still pissing. That is still pissing like crazy. I'm gonna make it. Yo, this fucking car sucks. Fuck. Actually, let me get that shit. Hold on. That shit like $30. Fuck that. I need that. Hold it. She's alive! Come on, bitch. We gotta count down these seconds so it overheats. Yo, this shit is smoking worse than before. Should I just burn it out right here? I'm horny for a burnout. Oh! And then she overheats. No, I'm just kidding. We good. We got a few minutes here, you know what I mean? Oh, we're in Mexico, by the way, Cancun. She's running good though, Agent. I mean, maybe it's just the driver. It's not the car. Maybe it's just the driver. Cause I'm chilling right now, like. Facts. Spoke too soon. Watch. She gonna get over there. She gonna be pissing like fucking. She running good though. She's calm with it. Calm. This is the problem that scares me. Is when we get to the idle and it starts fucking smoking like a fucking smoke machine. So once we get over there, we're probably gonna have to let this sit for a few, or do we just get right into it? We'll put the timer on, hammer it down. I mean, it's probably already, it's actually not, hey, it's starting to, you smell that? It's starting to smell like coolant a little bit. I'm gonna lie. About to do some donuts, run this shit hot, and see how long it takes till this shit overheats. What the fucking thing on? was saying, yo, 49 seconds, this shit overheating like crazy. You can't see shit. Windshield wipers are on. There's smoke coming out of my ass. I don't know what's going on. 49 seconds, all she had. But we ain't done yet. Fuck it, we're gonna hammer down. Or maybe we are done. Oh, my left leg is so hot. Do y'all see that? Come on, stay with me, baby. Okay, we're here. Yo, my left leg is so hot right now from the fucking steam. The owner's manual. How do you turn this shit off? Oh. Okay, bet. Check engine lights on. That's a different smell. So it's not tires, it's not coolant. Temp, see? The temperature is negative 35. Shit ain't even reading. Yo! What? The homeless guy just said, yo. Yep. You should give one of them a ride. Facts. Get out of there, bitch. But hey, she did it. She lasted a good old 59 seconds. Actually, 4 minutes and 7 seconds is what she lasted. Look at the evidence. We're trying to hide the evidence. You know, we did a little squealy, a little. It's not a one-wheel peel. It's not pussy. E36. Yo, she held up good. She held up good, minus the fucking rod knock now. Not that bad. You know, not that bad. You know, a little oil, a little bit of coolant. Nothing in there because, you know, it pisses out of its ass. But hey, that's it. Lasted 8 minutes. Oh, look, there's another leak over here somewhere. All right, so next video that y'all see this car, we're gonna dive into it deeper, pause, and address the problem that y'all see. And we have some pieces on order for this car, and we're gonna fully transform this car for Agent and fix it up and dial it in the right way. Until then, fuck this car. No, deadass, fuck this car. Yeah! Yeah! Hold that clutch!